Recycle, reduce, reuse. It's all the rage. And now it can be applied to schoolwork. Microsoft Teams allows teachers to reuse any assignments you've created in any team, whether it's from another class you're currently teaching or a past class that you've archived. Start by signing in to Office.com and starting up the web or desktop version of Teams. To reuse an assignment, navigate to the General channel of your current class, then select Assignments. Select Create, then From Existing. Choose the class where you originally created the assignment and select Next. Then choose the assignment you'd like to reuse and select Next again. The assignment will recreate all the information you've included before. Edit any assignment details you need to change, then choose classes or individual students to assign the work to. Set a new due date. You can even at this point schedule the work to be assigned in the future. Reusing assignments saves a ton of time, and it's good for the environment.